What's up, everybody? I'm John.
I'm Isaac.
And on today's episode of Cars and Cameras, we're working on a cheap pit bike. This is significant because we've been doing this for almost 5 years, and this is our first official pit bike. 72 cc's of horsepower.
I was going to say Fury, but that's all right.
Yeah, it's in rough shape. It's a 2010 model. It's had a rough 9 years, but we're going to get this thing running, see if we can take it for a rip.
So when I bought this bike, kicked it over, it kicks over pretty good.
Okay. Like it has compression.
It's got compression, you can hear it. It doesn't have the best compression. I'm wondering if we, while we're here, we can check the valve clearance.
Okay.
Because this thing really looks like it's been beat up bad. So I bet the maintenance wasn't kept up.
Probably not.
When I did get this thing, I sprayed a little ether in there and it did fire up and run.
Okay.
But it does not run well. So first things first, I'm thinking about taking that carburetor off and going through it.
Let's do it.
All right. It's got a toe and heel shifter. Did you see that?
I thought I heard some fuel sloshing around in there, so
We're gonna find out.
yeah.
Did we want to do away with that stuff or hook it back up?
We can hook it back up. I'm just trying to get the carburetor out right now.
Yeah. We're about to find out. Okay.
No fuel.
Well, there's a switch over here. Oh, we got fuel.
Okay. Oh man, I'm finding some riggery already.
Someone's already been in that carburetor.
Yeah.
I don't think they ever got it apart.
Really?
Ah, I got it. What do you think you're going to find in here?
Not good.
They have been in here.
Could be worse. Yeah, scratch marks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ready for this?
Yikes. That's pretty bad.
We have worked with worse, though. Okay. I think just cleaning her out real good. Using our drill bits to clear out these passages, or the jets. And I'm really wanting to
Oversized?
oversize
Just
one.
a hair?
Just that's me.
Of course.
I want to go bigger because I like to party. I'm taking a fuel sample.
Taking a fuel sample. So you want to chop this dirt bike or what, man?
Right on. Chop it.
Yeah, make a chopper dirt bike, bro.
Stick a 190 on it with a 212 kit.
That is just unnecessarily crazy.
I mean, I've had worse, but it's got some debris in it. So we're going to clean this thing out. It's not really that big of a deal. You just got to make sure you put everything back exactly how you took it apart. Let's start with these. One size bigger. And I am going to 0.0310. And I'm doing this because the exhaust I'm putting on it is going to be a freer flowing exhaust. What kind of bug is this? I want to turn him over because, ooh, he curls up. Oh, he's only got, no. Is it 6? Yeah, I think it's 6 legs. Get some of the crud out. Oh man, it's asking for more airflow.
Yeah. Or are we gonna crank it up without the exhaust on it?
No, I figured we put the exhaust on it.
Yeah, that does not look that bad.
It doesn't look bad at all, dude.
Is that water in the bottom from your drink, or is that?
Looks like it.
Oh, okay. Is there a gasket in there?
Oh,
That's a winner, man.
it looks like it. Dude, it's
Yeah,
like
which-
it was meant to be.
Redo the hanger.
Remove that cover there.
Actually, yep.
I guess while I'm waiting, I'll clean out the air filter.
Oh, it's almost too perfect. There's a broken bracket right there that we can hang it from. We'll zap zap with the welder. That'll be it. Touching the case right now.
That'll be fine.
Okay.
Wondered how close it'll be to our leg.
Oh yeah, that's not so bad, man. I can't tell if I'm gonna love the pit bike or hate it. I think I'm gonna love it.
We gotta work on chain is awful tight. Cool. Cover. We just want it to be there to hold it there for a while.
Yeah.
And if it runs, we'll put an air filter on it.
And if it doesn't,
Take her for a rip. Although we still need to fix the rear brake.
yes. But dude, we need to see. Let's see if it runs. Before we fix the rear brake, before we put an air filter on it, let's see if it runs.
How many cranks, sir?
Oh, no telling, dude. 5 or 6. Is the choke on?
Yeah, I thought so. Wasn't even tight.
That's a great sign. So I'd be willing to bet that someone else is having some problems with this thing running. I see nothing.
Let me turn the key.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yep. I still see nothing. All right.
So,
Oh, the wiring on these things is so much fun. Could be looking at a bad CDI. That looks identical to me, buddy.
kick it.
We got spark. I know what it was. What was it? Say it.
Kill switch. Let's see if it'll crank right back up. Cut it off. On. Oh, I'm in gear, so heel kick.
Hey.
What do you think?
You can already tell it's gonna be a ripper, dude.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So the brake master cylinder is full of water.
Maybe. Looks like water. Not saying it is water.
So just put brake fluid in, try to bleed it, and see what happens.
Yeah. Alright, we got a roller and
We got a stopper.
we got a stopper.
I'm into it.
Alright. That's great, dude.
So is that everything on our list? We can go for a ride?
Yeah.
So we were headed off to our favorite ATV park for some testing with some other projects anyway, so we figured we would throw this in the back of the trailer and bring it along and see how it does instead of just riding around the yard. So we'll see you out there tomorrow. So we made it out here to our favorite off-road playground with the 72cc pit bike. Ike fired it up and took it for a ride around the yard this morning. And dude, I didn't see it, but I heard it. It actually sounded decent.
It's
right?
not bad.
So it is dry and dusty and sandy out here, so it's gonna be interesting to see how it performs. There's a little track over there. I say we start with the track,
Okay.
see if we can't break it while we're close to the truck and tools.
Alright.
All right, let's do it. Once Ike gets familiar with the 72cc pit bike, I'm gonna hop on our CT200 over there with your basic bolt-on upgrades from GoPowersports.com, like a torque converter swap, stage 1 performance kit, and a removed governor, just to see how they compete, because they're both kind of mini bikes, but they are very, very different from one another. You ready to have some fun? worked it. Whew. You okay? Whew. That's a bummer. Whew. That's the problem, man. Those tires are freaking 10 inches tall and about as wide as a pizza cutter. What's up, man? How is it?
It is the most awkward thing I have ever ridden.
I can't tell if you're having fun or not. Dude, yeah, are you okay?
Yeah, here it's a 4. On the trail rides it might be different, but this like beach sand,
Yeah.
these little pizza cutter tires just ain't cutting it, no pun intended.
So it sounds like I need to hop on the CT200.
No, you need to hop on this.
Oh, okay, fine. I will, and we'll go find some trails. All right, let's keep going.
John really likes that bike. He's pretty at home on it. Oh my. Oh man, he's in that peanut butter mud. Alright guys, I'm going to show you where this thing shines compared to that. This is where the big tire comes in. Ooh, look at that mud.
Here we are at the drag strip. That bearing sounds bad. You ready?
Yeah. After you.
After me?
That was good. This handle's way better than that.
Yep. Nice. How's that leg, dude?
It burns. It's like a carpet burn.
That's why you should always wear pants, folks.
So the pizza cutter is a handful to stay on out there, dude. It's in the soft stuff. The drag strip is okay because they keep it kind of wet down and packed. Yeah, out here, man, it is, those pizza cutter tires are not so great. But it's a lot of fun.
Trail riding, I think.
Trail riding is great. Yeah, and dude, for 72 cc's, it keeps up with 212 cc's.
With the stage 1.
With stage 1. So yeah, I mean, $150. It's pretty much all we have in this thing, including kind of the work we did to it. We had everything sitting around. Worth it all day long, in my opinion, dude. But I think we're gonna look into taller tires for the pit bike, wider tires.
Wider tires.
Yeah, and maybe an upgraded engine. I mean, I don't know. You guys out there with pit bikes, what do you do to modify them to get them to ride better on the silty stuff?
This is just like beach sand.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
Or do you just not do anything and don't ride on it, or do you just practice and become a better rider? I don't know. Let us know in the comments. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video today, guys. Subscribe to Cars and Cameras for future updates. Support the channel by picking up a t-shirt at cars-cameras.com.
Check me out at Isaac, it'll be fine.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.